All right, guys, so what we're going to start with here on this page is you're going to take some notes in your journal over some of the things we just discussed. So you need to get your science journal out and write these in your journal with me. All right, so let's see. So at the top of your journal, not there. Okay, the top of your journal, I want you to write a force is a push or pull. A force is a push or pull. All right, and if you need to pause it, you can pause it. If you want to make it all pretty like mine, you can make it all pretty. It's up to you. All right, so the first one, remember pause if I go too fast. The first force that I want to talk about is magnetism. And I drew my arrow going either direction because it can be a push or a pull. Magnetism is a force, of course. That's one of the ones we're learning about. And it can be a push or pull. So get that written in your journal. The second type of force we're going to talk about, I want you to put in your journal, is gravity. And I wrote, gravity is a force that pulls masses towards things with greater mass. All right, so like us towards our planet. The planet has a greater mass, so we're being pulled to it. Gravity keeps Earth in orbit around the sun. So same thing. Earth has a smaller mass, has less mass than the sun, so the sun is pulling the Earth towards it, keeping it in orbit. And the last type of force I want you to put in your journal is friction. Friction is a force that works against motion. Friction works in the opposite direction of motion. So if we're pulling something, it's pushing against it. All right? And if we're pushing something, it's pulling against it. So it's the opposite of whatever we are doing or the object is doing. So get those put in your journal so you have some good notes in there to refer back to if you need to this week. And pause or go back if you need to get it all done.